Today, the DronePrep team, which leads Open Skies Cornwall, has come all the way to sunny South Mims to look at this wonderful aircraft, which is part of the Skydrones fleet. It's pretty cool in terms of capability because it's integrated a lot of the Skydrones technology, which is very interoperable between different tech providers, and that's one of the reasons why we're here today, is to understand how that technology works, how it can be installed into aircraft like this one, and more crucially, how it can help end users in particular on the Open Skies Cornwall project. Beyond Open Skies, we're also intending to work on some other projects as well together. And at the moment, Skydrones are members of Blueprint and members of Alias, also funded by Future Flight. And some of the members of those consortia share common ground with Open Skies. So part of the Future Flight ecosystem is all about learning about what other consortia are doing and seeing how best we can invest that government money together to open up the skies for all of us going forward.